Hello, my friends. Wherever you are in the world, welcome to our Artificial Intelligence for Project Managers. It's a very steep climb, and we're going to get up to 40,000 feet in like seconds, because what is most important in AI is how you interact with the tool. And I want you to develop some really good skills in querying the tool called AI in the form of GPT, Bard, or whatever. There are many different tools out there, and my main goal is to get you to be very comfortable with the tool. I first of all, though, have to give you a little introduction to the world of AI. So we're going to have a few introductions very quickly. I want you to know that the image on the screen, the book there, you are going to get the book. As soon as we are done with today's session, you are going to get the book. You are also going to get the handout of all the slides that I'm sharing. So don't worry about taking screenshots, except when I'm showing Excel or some other pieces here and there. Everything else is pretty straightforward, okay? You're going to have the book and the handout to refer to. And when I say the book, there's a physical copy of the book. It's called Artificial Intelligence for Project Managers. It's about 100 plus pages. I have a bunch of prompts in here. I have examples of documents and artifacts of project management and how you could leverage it to your advantage. I am also going to be including bits from a second book, which is called AI Basics and the GPT aspects of prompt engineering. In this book. There's a model that I created for prompts, and it's called the RGB model. And I'm going to show you what that's all about. Some of you already know about RGB, role goal benefit. I'm going to show you how to use it for prompts. And I'm also going to show you a prompt I created called the Pathfinder prompt. And it's stuff you already know, but what I've discovered is having a model is so important with AI, because the model helps you check yourself, check your logic, make sure that you've got all your bases covered. So I'm going to show you my models, and you could actually create your own models to take your AI to the next level. So that's really what this is all about. The deliberateness, the continuity in home run after home run, not just, a flash in the pan, but to make it repeatable. As project managers, we talk about PDCA. Well, the whole thing about AI is more of a plan, do, check, and then redo. So I'm going to be showing you a lot of that thought process, which I use when I'm interacting with AI, okay? So getting straight into it, let's talk about AI basics. First of all, I want you to see AI as Tony Stark's suit, which makes him a superhero. Without the suit, Tony Stark is nothing. Forget about, well, he's intelligent. I know. Marvel aficionados. Yes, Tony Stark is brilliant. Yes, like Elon, well, that can be debated. But the summary is AI is going to make you a superhero, right? And that's the whole idea about this superhero theme. So what is artificial intelligence? It's all about the simulation of human intelligence by machines, especially computer systems. Now, that could sound rather nebulous, but it's really just getting a system to act human, to be able to do things a human might. But it's not just any human. It's a very skilled human. I want you to think about the power of AI, and I really appreciate Victor's candor, because that's how some of us were in the very beginning. We were at the edge, on the ledge, like the resistance, holding out, no, I'm going to riot, I'm going to revolt against AI. But when you realize it doesn't make sense to revolt against AI, you have the likes of the mindset of the likes of Thomas Jefferson, pick whoever you like, because I mentioned names, and claws are going to come out. So I could mention Obama, I could mention George Bush, I could mention Bill Clinton. I know some people are going to, yeah. But all these minds, right? Whoever your favorites are of great minds, all of that brain power is at your fingertips, because publications from these people, quotes from these people, ideas from these people, whether you're talking about the likes of Elon or Bill Gates or Steve Jobs. Okay, give me a break. Wozniak. No one's going to quarrel about Wozniak. You agree he's a brilliant individual, right? The brain power of all of these individuals is available with AI. And AI is able to, in milliseconds, source the opinions and ideas of all these great minds and craft a response that is on par with that level of intelligence. It's mind-blowing. I've actually asked AI, write me a document in the style of Roald Dahl, or write me something in the form of a project charter from a very experienced project manager with 30 years of experience, and the tool does it. So very simply explained, my friends, AI is all about simulation of the human intelligence, right? These processes that we're talking about include learning, the acquisition of information, and rules for using the information, reasoning. And I really want you to know this is not going to be, I promise you, it's not a death by PowerPoint course. We just have to get through a few of the basics and then we're going to roll up our sleeves. So artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines or software with the ability to exhibit intelligence. Is the development of systems that can learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, comprehend complex concepts, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. All right, my friends. So over the past number of minutes, you've been taking a look at a preview from my event on AI for project managers. I hope this has kind of shed some light on how this course is. If you want to be part of it, you need to go on down to ai.hybridprojectmanagement.com. And on the next go round, which is going to be our second episode, you can actually join in and you can join us for some of the more advanced uses of AI. And that's going to be coming up shortly. So keep your eyes peeled to ai.hybridprojectmanagement.com. I hope you enjoy this little introduction. Again, it's just to let you know what is coming down the pike. Highly advise you to sign up for our next round, and I'll see you there. Again, it's ai.hybridprojectmanagement.com. You take care and talk to you soon.